Stop! Don't skip this. These downloader codes for 2026 are trending right now, and most people are either missing them or using them the wrong way. If you are using Android TV or Firestick, this can save you a lot of time. Instead of typing long links, you can simply enter a short code and quickly find useful apps and tools. In this video, I'll show you the latest tested codes and the correct way to use them step by step. This video is for educational purposes only and focuses on device setup and how these tools work. Always follow your device guidelines and use apps responsibly. Before we start, make sure you have the downloader app installed on your device. Open your device settings, go to install unknown apps and enable it for downloader if it's turned off. Once that's done, you are ready to go. Now open the downloader app. You will see a search bar where you can enter a code. Enter your first code here and press go. The app will connect and load the content. Follow the on-screen instructions and select install. Once installed, go back and delete the file to keep your storage clean. Now let me share a few more codes you can try. Enter the next code the same way. Press go. Follow the steps shown on your screen. These codes are updated for 2026 and are commonly used by users to quickly access helpful tools and apps. Quick tip: if a code doesn't load, double check the number and make sure your internet connection is stable. You can also organize your apps after installing them by moving them to your home screen for quick access. This makes your device faster and easier to use. That's it. Now you know how to use downloader codes 2026 the right way. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Electronic Secret, press the bell icon and like this video. And let me know in the comments if you want more updated codes or smart TV tips. See you in the next video.